Alright, today I want to do something, a simple recipe. It only takes a few ingredients, but I wanted to use some of these ingredients, or these seasonings I got. I got a whole bunch of seasonings from this one company, Marna Maria, that I did the Greek seasoning talk about. They decided they liked it, what I did, so they decided to send me a bunch of seasonings. Today I'm going to be focusing on the tandoori masala and the garam masala. Both of them, these are the two different sizes they sent me. You could order these kind of sizes from the website. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I just really like their stuff, and they were nice enough to send me this stuff, so why not? So I decided to make a easy Indian butter chicken recipe. Really good. It looks fantastic. I love the color of it and everything. It tastes great. So without further ado, let's get to it. First, you're going to get a few tablespoons of butter, and you're going to melt it in a little pan. Once it starts melting, you can go ahead and throw onions. I'm using a half of a really big onion. And you're going to put a few cloves of garlic. And you're going to saute them up until the onion is caramelized, so it's actually going to take probably about 10-15 minutes. So there's going to be another step you're going to do while that's happening. While your onions and garlic are caramelizing, you're going to want to get one 15 ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm using two because I'm making more than I need to. And you're cooking this all on medium heat. So 2 of these. You have 3 cups of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm using the garam masala I got from Marna Maria. Using about a teaspoon of chili powder. And some salt. And you mix that all up to get your sauce together. Here it's going to turn a nice color. You're going to bring it up to a simmer, and then you're going to let it simmer or cook for about 30 minutes covered. And while you're doing that, you're going to do the next step as well. Alright, and then while you're letting that sauce cook and your onions cook, you're going to get chicken and cut it up into little cubes. I'm not doing anything fancy here. And you're going to coat the chicken in some vegetable oil, which I've already done that. If you don't want to do this step and you just want to make the sauce and throw some chicken in there, they do sell cans of chicken. It's kind of like canned tuna. It's actually really good. I've used it for a lot of things. I use it a lot for my curry. I think I even have some videos where I've used it. I use it for my chicken pot pie all the time. It's actually really good, and it's already cooked, so all you gotta do is just throw it in whatever you're making, and you're good. But what you're gonna need to do is, once this stuff's coated in the oil, I'm going to use the tandoori masala I got from Marna Maria. I'm going to sprinkle that in there. Make sure they get all coated up in that. Once they're all coated, I'm going to go ahead and just get my hands in there. Once they're all coated, you're going to spread them out on a baking sheet and bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, by about halfway through, while the sauce is simmering, I threw another half cup of butter in there. You could put more butter in, you could put less butter in. It melted already, so I couldn't even show you. But you're going to want to go ahead and put your onions and garlic in there. Probably could have got them browner, but and stir them in. And then you continue your cooking, so probably about another 15 minutes until this is all said and done. Meanwhile, you probably want to get some rice going or some water boiling for some noodles. Depends on if you want to put some rice under it or noodles under it. I tend to like to serve this stuff with rice. So that's what I'm going for. So I have a pot of water with rice going right now. Alright, I just pulled the chicken out of the oven. It's been about 13 minutes. It looks like it was good to go. I didn't want to overcook it. It's still kind of bubbling up. In a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pop open the pot with the sauce in it. I'm going to go ahead and put those in there and cook it for about 5 more minutes. Alright, the chicken's done cooking. I put it into the pot with the sauce. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. It's ready to serve. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. So yummy looking. That's it. Enjoy. Alright, well that's it. That's this nice simple recipe. It takes about 45 minutes to make it. Even less if you take some shortcuts like using the canned chicken instead of fresh chicken. Like I said, you can get these kind of ingredients other places, but like I said, the website is a really good place to go, and it's pretty good prices. Plus it ships right to your house. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell thingy so you know when I post more videos. I'll be doing a lot more videos on all these different ingredients they sent me, because they sent all these ones to me and I'm going to use them because I like them. Some of these I've used before, some of them are actually a mixture of other stuff, so I might not use every single one they sent me, but I'm going to use quite a few of them. Down below in the description, I'm also going to post the link to their website as well as a discount code they gave me for 15% off when you order from their website. It's good until December 2020, the end of December 2020. So for the rest of 2020, you can get your seasonings mailed to you, which is pretty nice since with the coronavirus is going, who knows when you can get in and out of stores all the time. So it's called Marna Maria. They have these little jars you can buy. They have little pouches you can buy. They have the really big pouch I showed you the last video I made with their seasonings. That Aloha Smoked Spice seasoning. It's a really good salt that is a nice smoky flavor to anything. So I put it in like everything. Anyway, like I said, if you like this video, hit the button down below to subscribe and hit the little bell so you know when I post more videos. Don't be afraid to comment down below. Let me know if there's any other recipes that you want me to try. If you've tried this recipe before but maybe did some twists to it, let me know. Other than that, I guess I'll see you next time.